unboxing, if you will. I had been using the Harbor Freight little pump. What is this, 1 gallon, 1.32 gallon sprayer. Obviously, put your chemicals in, you pump it up, and you spray about, right? This did work pretty good, and for how small my property is, this is actually good enough, right? It does the job. You can use Weed Be Gone, that was from last year, and then we have the Fruit Tree spray. I bought another one this year, but I'm going to use some more of this. Like I said, this does pretty good. You just pump it up, spray it. You pump it up and spray it. You do a lot of pumping with that. So I wanted one of those little backpack sprayers. I looked around, and Home Depot, Lowe's, they have some from several different companies. They run about 75 bucks, give or take a little bit. That was just more than I wanted to spend at the time. So lo and behold, I got a, and I'll bring this up there closer to you so you can see it, but Harbor Freight had a sale. I got one of their catalogs in. They had a backpack sprayer, 4 gallons for 20 bucks. So you know while you're there, you got to get a free tarp or something free. So got a free tarp and the backpack sprayer itself. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. One thing about this is they say that whenever you run any chemical through here, it's no longer, you can no longer take it back to Harbor Freight, but you can take it back to Greenwood, the manufacturer of this company. So just keep that in mind. Oh, and the other thing is I did look locally to see if I could find one of those other manufacturers that somebody's trying to sell, and I did find one. They're hard to find used, and the ones I did find, they were about 20 bucks, and others were about 40 or something like that. So it's still cheaper than brand new, but whenever people, you never know what kind of chemicals people are running through that. So I just kind of wanted to be safer than sorry. So again, here's the backpack sprayer coupon. If you guys want to use that, it's good till May 31st, 2019. So feel free to screenshot that, and they should allow you to use this coupon. Okay. Now look at the box. This is there's a SKU information and all that stuff. So, all right. So again, it's a 4 gallon backpack sprayer. Okay. So you do get the so you do get the screen, which is cool. Here's where all the hose is going to be. I do like how big that is, so you can fit your whole hand down inside there and clean it out. So, it's got a nice spring pressure. I don't know if holding that after a while might be fatiguing, but you do have the auto spray button. Want to check down in there? You don't want to get that down in your pump or nothing. There's also this. let you read that. Okay, so on this, just going to push that into there as far as it'll go. Push that down. Screw that on there. And keep in mind this is plastic, so tighten accordingly. So it does come with some extra parts. You have this little plastic hockey puck looking thing, as well as this little retainer clip kind of thing. They give you a little tiny marble. I'm sure that's in that, like a check valve. And they give you a couple replacement O-rings. You also get different spray nozzles. I have that one that's like a fan, a dual sprayer, and then a single sprayer. I think I'm going to give this one a shot first. Not sure how that'll work. And so the way that goes in, it just kind of presses in there, and you tighten that on there. Again, plastic, so keep that in mind. We're just going to plug this in up here. Just going to double check everything, make sure everything's tight. Put that in there. You want to see inside the pump. We're supposed to be getting rain pretty soon, so I'm just going to do like a light dusting of the fruit tree spray. So this says to use 1.5 to 2.5 tablespoons per gallon of water. So last time I did 2 tablespoons per gallon of water. I think that did pretty good. So basically we're going to do 8 tablespoons of this stuff for 4 gallons of this, and then I'll use some today, and then once all this rain comes through, then I'll finish up, and it should only be a day or so. I don't recommend keeping chemicals in here very long, just because you don't know how, well, it should be okay, but you never know.